So you want a power bank that is also a wireless charger and is also a stand for your phone. You might get some of those things, might not get all of them. Let's get to the unboxing and the review of the Ronin Qi wireless charger. Okay, let's take a look at the box itself first. On the front we have the Ronin branding along with the Qi wireless charging power bank. This is a hint at something you'll see later on. Okay, we have the battery capacity listed as 10,000 mAh and R125 high capacity. On the right side we have 10 watts of charging, a lithium polymer battery, fast charging technology that is not that fast actually, and fireproof shell material. On the back we have some product specifications and we have a charging time of 8 to 12 hours. On the left side we have the Ronin branding with their catchphrase or whatever. Let's get into the unboxing now. The box opens really fancy like, and up front we have the charger itself. It is pretty sturdy and it has a rubber finish. We have some branding and specifications on the back. Other than that, it's pretty basic. I don't see any buttons. Oh, there is one button. And on the bottom side we have some ports. We have a regular type A USB 3, a type C, and a proprietary connector for the charger. Let's put that to the side, and underneath we have this stand. Okay, so is this stand for my phone and will it charge my phone? Apparently not, it doesn't even fit my phone. And there is no charger here, so the wireless charging phone stand is actually a wireless charging power bank stand. So now let's put this thing to the side and let's see what the box has other than the charger. Taking this thing out, we can see we have a set of two cables, one of which is USB type A to micro USB and the other one is USB type A to type C. Other than that we have some paperwork which no one will ever read and a warranty card from Ronin. Even though the stand itself does not charge your phone, I think the addition of this 10,000 milliamp hour charger makes it a pretty decent deal. I would recommend this to anyone trying to make a desk setup or needs a stand for their phones in their office. This is really minimal and barely has any branding on it except for this Qi logo on the power bank. There are a couple of battery lights on the charger itself, on the power bank. It shows how much battery you have left, and there is a button for starting and turning it off on the left hand side. Other than that, I love the clean design of the power bank. It's really minimal and I would love carrying this around every day with me. You can just put it back in there to charge, and when you want it to take it away, you can take it away. Okay, taking a look at the stand, it has a rubber texture here to keep your phone or your power bank stable, and it is made entirely of plastic. It's hollow on the inside, so it's not rigid or made perfectly well. Other than that, on the back we have a micro USB charging port and a type A output that is for charging your phone or your power bank. On the stand itself, we have 3 pins here for charging the power bank. It is a proprietary connector, so you can only plug your power bank into this. Okay, now let's take a look at the cables that come inside the box. This is the Type C to Type A cable. It's fairly thick, but it's not the highest quality. It's just a plastic wrap on rubber wrap on the wire, and the connectors itself, they might break over long periods of use because there's no protection for the end connectors. The other cable that comes in the box is the Type A to micro USB, and this one has a slightly better protection for the connectors. As you can see, it has a bendy bit right there. Other than that, the power cable itself is the same design. Now let's connect our phone. I have the Poco F3, and let's connect it to the power bank. My phone can charge over wire at a speed of 33 watts. So let's see if it can give us that amount of juice. Plugging the power bank in, the phone does not start charging automatically, so you have to press this little button on the side. It will turn the power bank on and the phone will start charging. It is charging at, I think, about 15 watts, since that's the rated power, but it's not charging to its highest capacity, to the phone's highest capacity. Okay, now let's take a look at the actual highlight of this product. This is supposed to charge at 10 watts wirelessly to any phone that supports C charging. I have my old Note 8 here, and we're gonna put it up on the stand to charge. And it's charging apparently. It is taking a lot of while. The charge actually says 1 hour 27 minutes until fully charged. It's at 57% battery right now, so that is pretty slow considering it's supposed to be 10 watts. Maybe it's not, maybe it is. Other than that, this stand is actually really usable. I actually really like it for any kind of desk setup, a gaming setup, or a workstation setup. This would be a pretty nice fit. It has neutral colors like black and silver, and the overall design and aesthetic of this device is really good. Okay, that's pretty much it about the Ronin wireless charging power bank thingy stand. And if you like the video and enjoyed it, do press that like button and subscribe for more to the point unboxings, reviews, and much more.